Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video, a really quick video here. I thought it would be interesting to show you. For you guys that follow my channel, this probably won't even worth for you guys to watch it, I guess, I don't know. But for a DIYer out there guys, if you have one of these cars, it's a 2008 Citroen C4 Picasso. I've been doing some work on this car, and one of the faults with this car, let's turn the ignition off. One of the faults with this car is that. So we already tested it. It's not working. I'll put a quick clip here to show you. Press the brake pedal. That one is on. That one is off. So it's not wrong. And what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to show you how to get it changed. Okay, and you get here, you open the boot, and the first thing you see, there is no access panels. No, there isn't. First thing we're gonna have to do is remove this cover here. Let me see if I can do it one hand. So I can show you. Okay, there it is. That exposes these two bolts here. These screws we're gonna remove, and then we'll slide the entire light out. Okay, screws removed, and now, there you go, comes out like that, exposing the plug right there at the back, which we can now unplug and remove the entire light assembly out. Here it is. So brake light is going to be this light in there. Hold on a second, let me press that, press that. Press that one in there, and here it is, my brake light. Let's confirm it's bugged. Oh, come on. It's tricky to do this one hand. Hold on a second. And indeed, it is gone. Let's get a new one. There is a new one. Drop that one. Put that one in. It was the other way, and that. There it is. Plug it all back in. That's it. Now let's kind of put it back in place, which is just, I need to plug it first. Hold on. And before we put everything tested, so this side, as you've seen earlier, is working. And look at that, it's working. All done. And that's it, guys. That's how you change a bulb. That is also for the side lights. It's one of those dual filament, as you've seen. That's how you change the bulbs on that element. Both sides are the same. So that's it. Hope the same information here you guys are gonna find useful. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below, and like always, thanks for watching.